Hey everybody, welcome to my fictitious laboratory where today we're going to be talking about something pretty gross. We're going to be talking about tonsil stones, otherwise known as tonsilloliths, which are calcified aggregates of bacteria and other gross things that our body didn't want in our body that they're expelling out of our tonsils in the back of our mouths. Pretty gross. And these ones actually came from me, so let's take a look.